Hello and welcome. I'm Tony Judson of TonyJudson.com, and today I want to talk about the Ready Reckoner. And this is the chart that you have in front of you now, and what this enables you to do is to have a look and just see how much money you want to earn in a 4-week period. And this chart is based on from total earnings of £220.12 right up to £1,305.39 in a 4-week period, simply by posting and picking up catalogues. So what I'd like to do now is just to take an average figure, like part-time, for instance, of £588.70 is what you want to earn in the next 4 weeks. Now if we have a look across to the other side here, we'll see that it says weekly sales 500. Now the next question always is, well, how do I know that I'm going to do £500 worth of business? And it's a perfectly reasonable question to ask. Well, we've based this on the national average of £1 in retail sales for every catalogue that is posted and picked up. Now, I have to emphasise that this is an average, and therefore some people might be getting more than £1 a catalogue, some people £1 a catalogue, and some people might even be getting 70p per catalogue. And some people might even be getting as much as £2 per catalogue, because that happens too. But averagely, it works out at about £1 a catalogue. So if you want to do £500 worth of business in a 4-week period, you simply do 500 in a week. You simply do 500 catalogues. 500 at £1 is 500. Now, that might sound like a lot, but if you actually break that down into 5 days a week, you're looking at 100 catalogues a day. That's all, just 100 catalogues a day. Now, to post 100 catalogues will take you about 1 hour. To pick them up will probably take twice as long. So we're looking at 5 hours in the week to put your catalogues out and 10 hours to pick them up. So somewhere in the region of about 15 hours per week. And let's say you're new and you're a bit slow in putting everything out and picking it up because you're getting used to things like anything new. And it might take you up to 20 hours, but eventually it should settle down around the 15-hour mark. So we work on 4-week selling cycles. So 4 times 500, 4 weekly volume becomes 4 times 500 is 2,000. Now the way that we work is we only charge you the wholesale price, and the wholesale price we call sales plan value. And what do I mean by wholesale price? Well, if you were a shopkeeper, you would go along to the wholesalers and you'd buy all your products at the wholesale price. You'd bring them back to the shop, put a margin on for yourself, and in this case, we've added in for you 33% markup on the wholesale price. Now, the sales plan value wholesale price for you is 1279.80. So let me just explain. When you place your order for your goods, you get the goods on 14-day sale or return. You don't pay for them up front or anything like that. We supply them to you on trust for 14 days to give you time to get them out to your customers. Now, we will only charge you the wholesale price of the goods, which is 1279.80 plus the VAT at retail. Now, if you put 33% on 1279.80, you will get £422.33 in cash that you're going to take out as you're delivering your product, and then you will pay us the wholesale price, and the cash you keep for yourself. Now, don't worry if you're not good at percentages. A lot of people can do 10% and things like that, because this is all worked out for you automatically via the company. And when you place your order, you can even ask the computer to give you an order value summary, and it will tell you exactly how much you've earned on that particular order. So out of the £2,000, you're going to take £422.33 in cash and put that in your pocket. The next thing that we want to be aware of is this volume profit of £166.37. Now, volume profit, the more business you do, the more bonus we will pay you. And in this case, if you look at the previous column, it says sales plan value, wholesale price percentage level. And this means that when you do the amount of business that we're talking about here, you will now get an extra 13% on the wholesale price. 1279.80 plus 13% will give you £166.37. Now this we will pay directly into your bank account via BACS at the end of every 4 weeks. And if you add those two figures together, it'll give you £166.37 in bonus, plus the £422.33, a total of £588.70. Now, if you're doing it right, and once you get rolling and into a system and everything, if you're doing there 60 hours a month, you're not far short of £10 an hour, which is a great reward. Obviously, if you do more business, then you'll get paid more bonuses. Just look at this here. You could get up to £460.73 if you wanted to. So that, I hope, explains the Ready Reckoner and how you can work out how much you're going to earn. What I would suggest that you do is you get together with the person who introduced you to the business and do a little plan so that you earn the amount of money you want. Now, I can hear some people saying, yeah, but what if I don't get £1